Welcome to Upcoming Cruiser Bikes, your go-to channel for the latest updates on upcoming motorcycles. Today, we dive into the 2025 Bajaj Dominar 400, a machine that continues to redefine power cruising in India. Let's explore what makes this bike a top contender in its segment. Design and styling. The 2025 Dominar 400 retains its aggressive stance but comes with subtle design updates. A sharper LED headlamp, a refreshed fuel tank with new graphics, and an updated seat profile enhance both aesthetics and comfort. Bajaj has also introduced new color schemes, giving riders more options to personalize their ride. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Dominar 400 is powered by a 373 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine, now tuned for better refinement and fuel efficiency. With a power output of around 40 PS and 35 Nm of torque, this bike delivers strong mid-range performance. The 6-speed gearbox, assisted by a slipper clutch, ensures smooth shifts, making it ideal for both city rides and long highway cruises. Features and technology. Bajaj has packed the 2025 Dominar 400 with advanced features, including an improved digital instrument cluster with smartphone connectivity for navigation alerts. The bike retains its premium USD forks, dual-channel ABS, and a well-calibrated rear monoshock for superior stability. The touring-friendly additions, such as a taller windscreen and factory-fitted luggage mounts, make it more adventure-ready than ever. Ride and comfort. With its relaxed ergonomics and well-cushioned seats, the Dominar 400 remains one of the most comfortable cruisers in its class. The revised suspension setup offers better road absorption, ensuring a smoother ride over long distances. The bike's weight distribution also aids in improved handling, making it an excellent choice for touring enthusiasts. Pricing and competition. Bajaj has managed to keep the Dominar 400 competitively priced, making it a great value-for-money proposition against rivals like the Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 and KTM 390 Adventure. With its blend of performance, features, and affordability, the Dominar continues to be a strong choice for those seeking a versatile cruiser. Final verdict. The 2025 Bajaj Dominar 400 builds on its legacy with refined performance, enhanced comfort, and modern features. Whether you're a touring enthusiast or a city commuter, this power cruiser offers the perfect balance of style, performance, and practicality. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Upcoming Cruiser Bikes for more updates on the latest and upcoming motorcycles. Ride safe, and see you in the next one.